So if you're a six-figure earner and you're ready to start investing, I want you to ask yourself this one question. Are you truly prepared to start investing? In this video, I'm gonna get into 3 tips you need to make sure you establish before you start investing, even if you are making 6 figures or higher. What's going on? Ray here, channel Real Estate with Ray, where I give you my journey and my education on real estate and also your financial coach to make sure that you are structured properly as a high income earner to get to the point where you can start investing properly. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment and a like if this video is gonna bring you value, and let's go ahead and get into the 3 tips. So the 3 things I wanna teach you, the first thing is gonna be managing your money properly. You got plenty of people that make $100,000, $120,000, $150,000, $200,000, and all of that does not matter if you do not know how to manage the money properly. If you're out here spending the money like crazy, you don't have a proper budget, you're gonna end up wasting that money. And until you get your personal finances in order and be able to manage them properly, you're not gonna be able to manage any investments later down the road. The second thing is reduce your tax liability. There are plenty of ways to reduce your tax liabilities. You got things such as maxing out your 401k so you can retain more of the money on the back end in your household. You can also max out your HSA account if you're using that for health, anything health related, so you can maximize your tax benefits there. You also can open up an LLC and maybe start a small side hustle on the side and make sure you structure that properly so you can get tax write-offs when it comes to time to file taxes. And the third thing is build your credit. When you're starting low, credit is going to be important. Now, I won't get into credit semi being irrelevant later down the road once you build a good investment portfolio, but right now it's important that you build your credit. If you're sitting in the 500s, you need to look at your credit to see what's derogatory, see what's native, start fixing that. If you need to pay off some debt, make sure you either taking one of the 2 debt strategies where you're paying a high interest or you're paying a high balance first. You want to make sure that you work on your credit, because when you get to the point where you can leverage your credit, you can start leveraging other people's money to get into investments. But before you even do that, this is why it's important to manage your money properly, because when you start dealing with other people's money, you want to make sure that you don't go back into the rabbit hole that you started with, even when you started making a lot of money. Now, a message to the 6-figure earners. I know you guys making a lot of money, and some people got a big ego because they're making a lot of money, but that money can go by just like that. It can go by pretty fast. So make sure you're managing it well, make sure you're reducing your tax liabilities, and make sure you're building your credit so you are set up to start investing into the future. If you are looking for somebody that's going to help you and walk you hand by hand, carry you through the process of making sure you're managing your credit, making sure you're building your credit the right way, managing your finances, and structuring you and your entire financial household and portfolio as one so you can start investing for the future, for the long term, then I want you to hit that link below in the description. You can book your free session with me where we're going to sit down and talk about some deeper strategies that the wealthy do not tell you so you can start building wealth in your household the right way.